Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Penn and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be like a brief video. Smack that like up because after this shout out, we're going to be getting straight into the point. This is StayBlowed. I've known of him for a while now, from Twitter, Twitch, and then he's back to making content on YouTube. He does unboxing, product reviews, content creator, gamer, things like that. So on this Elden Ring live stream, he was discussing that when he's investing in the upper echelon display for his desk or for his stream setup, he would like to use it to its full capability. So playing in HDR while streaming in SDR, getting that tone mapping accurate so that your audience doesn't seem blown out colors or things don't look wonky. Essentially, he's utilizing the Windows cloning method, and the method that I'm going to show is much more efficient and it's going to allow him to push out better quality to his channel and to his audience. It's going to be through OBS full screen projection. And this is using a dedicated capture card. He already has his setup to his liking. He has a Go XLR for his audio, things like that. So this won't be a full blown tutorial because this is specific to what he will want to accomplish, if that makes sense. All right. So I'm going to open up the display settings. I'll do this. Most people go here. That AVT, that's my capture card. That's display number 2 on my PC, just for example. Most people will hover over their display of their choice. They will right click and then they will do clone with. The issue with this is that on the operating system side, you're not able to utilize HDR, and it can even screw up in some aspects with variable refresh rate. At least the first time I tried it with the Elgato. I didn't try that with the Abram Media, but I do not recommend this whatsoever. Stay away from cloning. For those that you are watching, I would do this. Go to my display settings. You want them all separate. 3, 2, 1. However you want to rearrange them, you want them to be extended. You don't want no duplicate, no clones whatsoever. From there, open up my OBS as you see here. There is something called a full screen projection. You can do it on a source level or you can do it on a scenes level. If you have multiple scenes in your live stream and you're doing like a presentation, then it'd be easier for you to do it overall with the scenes, or you can right click, you can do full screen, and then you can go there. So I'll do it from here, for example. Then I'm gonna do full screen projector, and then I'm gonna pick my capture card. Boom. And you're gonna know it's working because it'll open up a separate window. It'll say full screen projector. And you can have whatever you have going on your main PC. So you can have your face cam, and then you can sort of like minimize this. And let's pretend that I'm broadcasting. So essentially, whatever I'm doing on my main PC with that OBS setting, it's going to show in your recording or your live stream. So generally, what's going to happen is that I'm going to pause this segment of the video and show you in real time what I'm actually talking about so you can understand what's going on. All right, so now I'm just going to show you the final result. So just to confirm, I'm running the PC 4K VRR 144 hertz and HDR UHD right there. Okay, so, and also I'm still in full screen projection, as you can see, both windows down below. Now, everything that I'm doing here can be on my other monitor / streaming PC. I'm going to turn and boom, there you go. Now, a good HDR to SDR tone mapping option. I'm going to go back to the main setup. Go here. And where it says, this is a bit washed out. So I'm going to go to Force SDR. When you click that and hit OK, that's when you get accurate colors. on your live stream or your recording to your audience. And you will set up your scenes in OBS accordingly. So, that would be up to your personal preference, and you present your stuff a different way. But that's generally it. You want to not use cloning, and you want to use OBS full screen projection. And your PC is more than powerful enough to have a program running in the background like OBS. And you use a capture card, so that's going to do the heavy loading. Then that streaming PC is going to tie it all together. And you just do 2 simple things, man, and you're good to go. Now, if you have any questions, you can feel free to shout, hit me up on X, on this page or whatever, or for anybody. And until next time, peace out. Thank you for watching and take care. Goodbye.